Breaking news. Peter Obi presents new evidence, court reacts. As Obi presents new evidence, PET reacts, vows to throw away female lawyers for improper dressing. The Presidential Election Tribunal, PET, sitting at the Court of Appeal today threatened to show female lawyers appearing at the tribunal way out of the door following strings of improper dressing even as counsel to presidential candidate of Labour Party, Mr. Peter Obi continued in their spirited approach presenting INEC Form EC8s and others in states across the federation. The judges led by Justice Haruna Samani, Justice Stephen Ada, Justice Monsurat Bolaji Yusuf, Justice Moses Ugo and Justice Abba Mohammed were embarrassed by their dressing, prompting the lead judge to speak up. The lead judge said she would have shown them way out of the court if it was a normal court setting, but that they would not have a second chance tomorrow. By the way, there's something I am not happy about. Some of the female counsels are not dressed properly. This is unacceptable. If it was a normal court proceeding, I will chase them away. For today their sins are forgiven, but from tomorrow, they will be driven away, the Justice Haruna Samani said with support from lawyer from the LP team. The LP legal team is led by Livy Uzuku. Others are Chief Awa Kalu, Dr. Onyechi Ipeezu, PIN. Ikweto, Chief Ben Anyachebe, ST. Hon. Arthur Obi Okafor, Ikezechukwu, J.S. Okutepa among others. LP, my lord, we are in total agreement and that is completely against our practice. From tomorrow, we will drive away anyone not dressed properly, he said. LP is seeking to tender INEC Form EC8B from the 21 LGIs in Sokoto State now amended to 23 LGIs, Goronyo and Dangeshasi added, as contained in pages 63 to 64 of documents of schedule tendered all respondents. INEC, BAT, SHET, INEC all objected. Court but admitted and tagged as XPA 1-23. Up next, Delta State. LP is seeking to tender INEC Form EC8B from the 25 LGIs in Delta State as contained in page 65 of documents of schedule tendered all respondents, INEC, BAT, SHET, INEC, have objected. Court, admitted as PAF 1-25. Up next, Ekiti State. LP is seeking to tender INEC Form EC8B from the 11 LGIs in Ekiti State as contained in page 68 of documents of schedule tendered all respondents, INEC, BAT, SHET, INEC, have objected. Court, admitted as PAG 1-11. Up next, Akwa Ibom with 31 LGIs. LP tendered INEC Form EC8B from 31 LGIs in Akwa Ibom as contained in page 76 of documents of schedule tendered all respondents, INEC, BAT, SHET, INEC, have objected. Court, admitted as XPAN 1-31. Up next, Lagos. LP tendered INEC Form EC8B from 20 LGIs in Lagos State as contained in page 76 of documents of schedule tendered all respondents, INEC, BAT, SHET, INEC, have objected. Court, admitted as XPA P01-20. LP tendered INEC Form EC8B from 27 LGIs in Oyo State as contained in pages 70 to 71 of documents of schedule tendered all respondents, INEC, BAT, SHET, INEC, have objected. Court, admitted as XPA K1-27. Up next, Cross River. LP tendered INEC Form EC8B from 18 LGIs in Cross River State as contained in page 72 of documents of schedule tendered all respondents, INEC, BAT, SHET, INEC, have objected. Court, admitted as XPAL 1-18. Up next, Edo State. LP tendered INEC Form EC8B from 15 LGIs in Edo as contained in page 74 of documents of schedule tendered all respondents, INEC, BAT, SHET, INEC, have objected. Court, admitted as X15 PAM 1-15. LP is seeking to tender INEC Form EC8B from 19 LGIs in Kaduna State to LGIs have been added, Jaba and Sanga, as contained in page 69 of documents of schedule tendered. All respondents, INEC, BAT, SHET, INEC, objected but court admits same as XPAJ 1-21. We are on pages 67 to 68 of Form EC8B of the 26 LG as of Imo State. It's 25 on the list, though the 26th, Njaba LGA, was omitted by INEC on the list but is present in court. It has been amended and admitted as PAH1-26. LP is seeking to tender INEC Form EC8B from the 18 LG as in Ondo State as contained the documents of schedule tendered. All respondents, INEC, PAT, SHET, INEC, have objected. Court, admitted and tagged as ITPAD1-18. LP is seeking to tender INEC Form EC8B from the 25 LG as in Niger State as contained in documents of schedule tendered. All respondents, INEC, PAT, SHET, INEC, have objected. Court, admitted and tagged as ITPAC1-25. Up next, Ondo State with 18 LG as EC8 forms from Ebonyi State are yet to be handed over by INEC to LP team and so not presented. After the lengthy presentation, Chief Ben Anyachebe, San stood up to make a prayer. My Lord, since the day is far spent, we would adjourn to tomorrow and continue with the only one left, which is Ebonyi, and the Form EC8 says. INEC, I thought you are willing to keep us here until 4 a.m. San Ben. I am not the one that announced results in the middle of the night, he told INEC in court.